For the next 7 days, give yourself this gift. Just a few quiet minutes each morning to plant the seeds of abundance, gratitude, and possibility. Small daily moments can create extraordinary change. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in peace. And breathing out anything you no longer need to carry. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing to fix. Nothing to achieve. Just this moment. As your breathing becomes slow and natural, imagine yourself walking along a quiet lakeshore just before sunrise. The air is fresh and still. The world is peaceful. The water stretches out before you like glass, perfectly calm, reflecting the soft colors of the morning sky. As the first rays of golden sunlight touch the surface, gentle ripples begin to dance across the lake. One small ripple becomes another, and another, until the entire lake glows with quiet movement. As you watch the beautiful ripples, slowly bring your awareness to your heart. Imagine a tiny golden light glowing softly within your chest. With every breath, that light grows warmer, brighter, gentler. It isn't trying to become anything. It is simply remembering what it has always been. As that warmth expands, allow yourself to think of the blessings already present in your life. Perhaps the breath moving effortlessly through your body. The people who have shared kindness with you. The lessons that have made you wiser. The moments that made you smile. The roof above your head. The strength that has carried you through every season of your life. Let yourself truly feel your appreciation. Not just as words, but as a warm feeling filling your entire body. Notice how your breathing changes, how your shoulders soften, how your heart opens. Just like the ripples across the lake, your gratitude gently expands through every part of you. There is a quiet peace here, a feeling of enough. Rest in this feeling for a few slow breaths. Gently bring to mind one area of your life where you would love to welcome more abundance. Perhaps it is your health, your relationships, your finances, your purpose, or simply a greater sense of joy. Choose only one. Hold it gently, without effort. Now imagine that what you desire has already found its way to you. Not sometime in the future, but here, now. Notice where you are. Who is with you? How your day feels. Most importantly, notice how you feel. How does your heart feel when you know you are supported? How do you walk when life feels abundant? do you smile when peace lives within you? Allow that feeling to become stronger, not because you're pretending, but because you're allowing yourself to experience the emotions that naturally belong to this version of you. Feel the calm confidence, the quiet joy, the gentle gratitude, the deep trust. Breathe as this version of yourself. Become this version of yourself. Imagine this beautiful feeling becoming a soft, golden light surrounding your entire body. It is warm, peaceful, comforting. It asks nothing of you. It simply reminds you of who you are when your heart is open. Stay here for a few quiet moments, breathing, feeling, receiving. Now slowly bring these feelings back into your day. The energy we offer to the world quietly shapes the experiences we welcome into our lives. Whenever you notice yourself drifting into worry, hurry, or doubt, simply pause. Take one slow breath and remember this lake. Remember this light. Remember this feeling. Then return to it. The more often you reconnect with this peaceful, grateful state, the more naturally you begin to move through life with an open heart. And for the next 7 days, come back to this practice as many times as you could to strengthen your alignment with the future you desire. And feel the magic unfold as you begin to align more and more with this energy. May abundance find you in beautiful and unexpected ways.